Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage loan repayments in the Lendingclub app. If you got approved for a lending loan, well, let's walk through how to easily manage your repayment inside the app. First step is to log into your Lendingclub app. Open the Lendingclub app or just go to the website if you prefer, and then sign in with your username and password. Next step is to navigate to your loan dashboard. Tap loans in the main menu, and here you're going to see loan balance, next due date, as well as monthly payments amount. Next is to set up automatic payments. Choose auto pay to link your bank account, and then select your preferred payment date on or before the due date. This ensures that you never miss a payment. So once you're done with that, you're going to make a one-time payment. Just tap make a payment and then choose your payment method and then confirm. Use for extra payments or to reduce interest faster. Next step is to track your payment history. Go to payment history to see completed payments, upcoming scheduled payments, and extra payments applied to principal. Finally, manage notifications. You can enable alerts for upcoming due dates as well as successful payments and account changes. And that's how you manage your Lendingclub loan repayment right from the app. In the next video, we're going to cover how to refinance credit card debts using a Lendingclub loan. So stay tuned to that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.